Credit cards can be such a struggle. 71% of Americans currently own a credit card, and of that group, the average American has 3.7 credit cards. It can be hard to keep track of which credit cards give you the most points, which give you the most cash back, and which give you the most miles on each one of your purchases. That's why I want to introduce the all-in-one credit card. This card takes all of your cards together, all of your gift cards, your credit cards, and puts them on one smart card. This smart card uses artificial intelligence to automatically charge the card that gives you the most cash back, points, or miles. This will also be supplemented by an app. This app will let you add or delete cards at any time, track all of your purchases and those points of cash back that you earn. You can also place purchasing limits on each of your cards if you don't want to overspend on a card. And you can also manually choose a card, such as a gift card, to charge through the app. In addition, this app allows you to pay off all your cards at once, rather than going through all the different apps to pay off those cards. And this credit card solves the everyday pain point for consumers who are trying to juggle all their credit cards while also trying to get the best bang for their buck. Ditch your bulky wallet and try the all-in-one credit card. Thank you.